Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's essential for maintaining a healthy lifestyle: blood sugar levels. Whether you have diabetes or want to prevent it, understanding how to manage your blood sugar is crucial. In this video, we'll explore 10 amazing foods that can help naturally lower blood sugar levels. So let's get started. Before we dive into the foods, let's quickly discuss why it's crucial to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Elevated blood sugar can lead to various health issues, such as diabetes, heart disease, and weight gain. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can help stabilize your blood sugar levels and promote overall well-being. Food 1. Cinnamon. Our first blood sugar-lowering food is cinnamon. This flavorful spice has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which helps glucose enter the cells more efficiently. Sprinkle some cinnamon on your morning oatmeal or add it to your favorite smoothie for a delicious and healthy kick. Food 2. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with essential nutrients and have a low glycemic index. These veggies are rich in fiber, which slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, keeping your blood sugar levels stable. Try incorporating a variety of leafy greens into your salads, stir-fries, or green smoothies. Food 3. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are a nutritional powerhouse that can help regulate blood sugar levels. They are high in fiber and healthy fats, which slow down the digestion process and prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar. You can sprinkle chia seeds on your yogurt, add them to your morning cereal, or even make a refreshing chia seed pudding. Food 4. Berries. Berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, are not only delicious but also great for managing blood sugar levels. They are low in sugar and high in fiber and antioxidants, making them an ideal choice for a sweet treat. Enjoy them on their own, blend them into a smoothie, or top your favorite desserts with a handful of these vibrant fruits. Food 5. Turmeric. Turmeric, a spice commonly used in curry dishes, contains an active compound called curcumin, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and blood sugar-lowering properties. Consider adding turmeric to your roasted vegetables, soups, or even a warm cup of turmeric tea. Food 6. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is an excellent choice for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. It is high in protein and low in carbohydrates, which helps prevent rapid spikes in blood sugar. Enjoy it as a standalone snack, mix it with fresh fruits, or use it as a base for smoothies and dressings. Food 7. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds such as almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and pumpkin seeds are rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They provide a satisfying crunch while helping to stabilize blood sugar levels. Keep a handful of your favorite nuts or seeds nearby for a quick and nutritious snack. Food 8. Garlic. Garlic not only adds flavor to your dishes, but also offers potential benefits for blood sugar control. It contains compounds that may enhance insulin sensitivity and reduce fasting blood sugar levels. Incorporate garlic into your cooking by adding it to sauces, stir-fries, or roasted vegetables. Food 9. Avocado. Avocado is a fantastic addition to a blood sugar-friendly diet. It's rich in healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and promote satiety. Slice some avocado onto your salads, spread it on whole grain toast, or blend it into a creamy smoothie for a nutritious and delicious boost. Food 10. Vinegar. Last but not least, vinegar, particularly apple cider vinegar, has been shown to have beneficial effects on blood sugar levels. Consuming vinegar before meals may improve insulin sensitivity and reduce post-meal blood sugar spikes. You can incorporate vinegar into your diet by using it as a salad dressing, adding it to marinades, or diluting it in water as a refreshing beverage. And there you have it, 10 incredible foods that can naturally lower blood sugar levels. Remember, maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is not just about the foods you eat, but also about adopting a balanced lifestyle. Regular physical activity, stress management, and portion control are also crucial for managing blood sugar levels effectively. Before making any significant changes to your diet, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian. They can provide personalized guidance based on your specific needs and medical history. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.